How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace or exchange the bolt inside your KWA MP7. It's a very easy process. Many people probably don't need this tutorial, but I just felt like I wanted to compile a playlist of videos of all the I guess internal work you can do on your KWA, just for thoroughness, really. But anyway, like I said, it's very easy. I'll get down to it. You're going to take out the pins on the back of your gun. That's what's holding the stock and the bolt in place. So for me, my pins are on this side that I need to, the spot where I need to push out on them. So take either a screwdriver or an Allen key, and you're going to punch them out. Cool. Now that you got the pins out, I'm going to grab along this little seam here. You should start to see everything coming out. So we've got the charging handle on top. There's a spring guide here in the middle in between these two rails, which make part of the stock right here. I'm going to slide those out. Oftentimes the charging handle, which is attached to the bolt, disconnects, but you just have to hold your gun kind of upside down and it should slide out. So here it is. As you can see, it's a CQB version. You probably want to do this just to lower the FPS, because oftentimes this thing is shooting way hot for an SMG. So on the back side of the bolt, this is where you're going to put the spring guide inside. This is the front side. It has this little nozzle. I'll show you the spring guide. So here's the spring guide. You got a flat side here. That's going to go towards the stock. You've got a more protruding side. That's where it inserts into the bolt. Like that. Alright. Like I said, charging handle on top here. This is just the stock. Here at the very end, here, let me try and focus this. This is where the end of the spring guide will go in, just this little circular indentation. So once you've got your bolt, you're going to put the spring guide in its place. There's like this notch on top of the bolt. That's where the charging handle goes. I'll show that real quick. There's a little end on the charging handle. It goes in there. Like so. Okay, now it's all connected again. So within the gun housing, there's two slots. That's for the rails of the stock. The bolt's going to go in the middle there. There's those two notches kind of above the middle. The bolt's is going to attach itself above and below that. I'll try and show you real quick. So I have the bolt here upside down, and there's these side notches right here. That's what I was talking about. It's going to be able to go over and under those indentions that were in the gun housing. So next step, you're going to put the stock rails through those slots. You're going to try and direct the bolt onto those notches. It might take a couple tries. It can be kind of finicky. fast forward this. So I went ahead and fast forwarded this, like I said. I kept struggling to keep the bolt attached to the charging handle. So the best way to fix this that I've found is to keep pressure with your thumb on the charging handle as you insert the bolt into the gun. Frustration. All right, we got it inside the gun housing again. So the final easy step is put the pins back inside. So oftentimes you're gonna have to kind of depress the back of this gun, otherwise the pins won't be flush with the holes. Like that. Okay. And that should do it, people. I hope y'all are doing okay in this pandemic. As I said, just wanted to be thorough, show y'all everything that I know how to do on this gun, just in case there's anybody that could use this information. So, have a great rest of your day.